Homemade spring rolls, homemade vegetable spring roll with Chef Josh or Musisi. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for daily recipes. So we are going to start by making, if you don't know how to make the papers or the sheets, the spring roll sheets, please WhatsApp me. I share the video of how to make a spring roll or money bag sheets. Then we are going to start by applying oil in the pan. When the oil is ready, you are going to apply sliced onions. When the oil is ready, you are going to apply sliced onions. After applying sliced onions, we are going to apply the sliced cabbages. The sliced cabbages. You can buy these sliced cabbages in the market. They are there. These market ladies, they do them very good. Then make sure that the cabbage is half cooked. Make sure that the cabbages are half cooked. Then after that, when you see that they are half cooked, you are going to apply carrot and green pepper sliced or julienne. You are going to apply them, the carrots and green pepper. So you apply carrots and green pepper for color and taste. Then after that, we are going to apply Royco. After that, you are going to apply Royco. After that, you are going to apply Royco. For the new viewers, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel for daily recipes. Then after that, you are going to apply turmeric. You are going to apply turmeric. You take your time. Yeah, make sure that you take your time. Then after that, after applying turmeric, we are going to apply fresh coriander and spring onions. We are going to apply fresh coriander and spring onions. So lastly, you are going to finish off with very little oil. So with very little salt. Finish off with very little salt. Then you set it aside. You leave it to cool. Then for the paste, we are going to apply wheat flour in the bowl. You apply enough. Then after applying wheat flour, we are going to apply little water, little cold water. Then you start mixing. Make sure that it is not too thick and it is not too runny, because this is the paste we are going to use to combine our spring roll. Then apply your vegetables on the sheet. Then you roll it up the middle. Then put the paste on the side and the side. Then you roll. We are going to repeat it once more. Apply your vegetables. Then you roll up to the middle tight. Then after, put the paste on the side and the paste on the side. Then put the paste in the front. Then you roll. This is Chef Josh Musisi. Remember, the way you see it is the way you can also do it. From my kitchen to your kitchen, and you feel the taste with Chef Josh Musisi. Remember, on YouTube, I release recipes every day. So make sure that you subscribe. You also turn on the notification bell. Then after, we are going to deep fry in hot oil. We are going to deep fry until golden brown in hot oil. Remember, don't forget to deep fry in hot oil. We need hot oil because we need our spring rolls crunchy and crispy. You can also apply the minced meat mixture. You can also do the one for chicken. You can also do the one for beef. You can also do the one for vegetables. So these are homemade spring rolls. In fact, they are not only homemade. You can try them at home, and you can also do them for what? For business. So if you don't know how to do the spring roll sheets or papers, please WhatsApp me on that number. And don't forget to share this video with each and everyone. And don't forget to subscribe for daily recipes.